Klaus Barbie, infamously known as the Butcher of Lyon, was no ordinary interrogator. Serving in the Nazi SS and Gestapo during World War II, he employed brutally effective methods to extract information from prisoners, ranging from torture to electrocution and even murder. Following the war, Barbie fled to South America, assuming false identities to evade justice for years. However, justice eventually prevailed as he was tracked down and extradited to France to face trial for his heinous crimes. Found guilty, Barbie was sentenced to life in prison. His story stands as a chilling reminder of the atrocities of World War II and the critical importance of holding individuals, regardless of power or influence, accountable for their actions. Barbie's dark legacy serves as a stark warning of the depths of human cruelty and the enduring need for justice to prevail in the face of such atrocities. The Butcher of Lyon's reign of terror and subsequent capture highlight the resilience of justice in the face of unspeakable evil.